In the world, every year, the damage caused by lightning to infrastructures results in enormous economic losses. That's why today we present to you the most advanced defense against electrical storms. The Variable Electric Field Compensator device, manufactured by Dinnteco International. This technology represents an unprecedented defense against the atmospheric and electromagnetic forces that threaten our installations, taking safety to higher levels. How does it achieve this? Its effectiveness lies in balancing and compensating the surrounding electric field, preventing the formation of upward leaders both in the lightning rod and in the structure it protects. It's a system that goes beyond protection. It's your tranquility in the midst of the storm. If this technology sparks your interest and you require more information, we invite you to visit our official website, where we will be attentive to your request.